OKN is a corporate technological platform to holistically manage enterprise strategic HR processes. This particular cloud business software has a flexible modular design for integrated management of talent, performance, and productivity among the company's employees. Its universe of suites and tools allows the company's strategy to be aligned with its philosophy, processes, results, and people in a single channel. Our international integration in 35 countries, with more than 5 million users and major international corporations, is the result of our high customer focus and constant commitment to provide the best user experience. Thanks to this positive user experience, we have grown a lot in a very short time, which has led us to develop new and better services. In this regard, traditional hosting couldn't respond to our needs, and so we decided to migrate our platform with a 100% open-source architecture to a flexible, powerful cloud environment that would allow us to continue growing safely and take the international leap. The cloud was the only option to meet the requirement the project needed, as we needed large capacity, high transfer speeds, redundancy, stability, and ease of operation. We needed to achieve high I/O speeds in file systems, and databases had to have a solid basis for optimal execution. The vast quantity of data processed by OKN for its customers required a clustered database system with an important scaling capacity and response. To achieve all this, the best solution was Microsoft Azure. Based on the premise the cloud was the best option, and considering that our entire platform is based on open-source technologies, specifically Linux, PHP, MySQL, and Apache, we realized that Microsoft Azure allowed us greater scalability and full security. In fact, we evaluated different alternatives, including Amazon Web Service, and realized that the safe bet was Azure. We can now say that Azure supports open source with no issues, and represents a good opportunity for us, from both the business and the technical standpoint. The cloud service approach was extremely appropriate from the beginning. Azure met the necessary security and operating requirements, and, in addition, we could take advantage of the storing and computing capabilities to allow the system to reach its optimum level. In an IaaS model such as the one required, the database system needed to be in an operating environment with great computing capacity, able to manage a large amount of data. To achieve this, a clustered multi-master system was needed to allow load to be distributed between different machines, such as the one implemented in OKN. Microsoft Azure allows total integration with open-source technologies, which represents an important savings for customers and a unique market opportunity for OpenSistemas and for the open-source technology industry. Projects like OKN show that it is possible to break down the barriers between open-source and commercial software. The project was a great success. A lot of the integration was performed by OpenSistemas, which, thanks to its expertise in open-source and cloud technologies, is enabling a high growth and internationalization of OKN. The conclusion is that the open-source Microsoft Azure tandem certainly works.